Being a bus driver, we are some of the first teachers that the students they see in the morning. We have to give the best first impression every single day.
Being present here and carry communication between parents, kids, Spanish-speaking families. I try to help everyone that comes and asks for help.
If you prepare students a well-balanced and nutritious meal, it tends to set them up for success in the classroom.
Without custodians, the school would be a mess, of course, but a fresh, clean environment, it gives the kids the right frame of mind.
My favorite part about being a paraprofessional is I get to step inside of the teacher role. A lot of the students, they have so much potential to be great, and I want to help them reach that.
I am CCSD.
I am CCSD.
I am CCSD.
We are CCSD.
We are CCSD.
We are better
We are
together.
better.
We are
together.
better together.
Together.
I am CCSD. We are better together.